Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up and showing you guys well, it's listed as a can rack, but you can also put other things on it as well. Looks like pretty simple directions, so let's go ahead and pull. This is metal, if you guys are wondering. It's supposed to be silver. So let's see, we want to make sure it's right, because step one, oh okay, that's step 3. Okay, so step 2 involves this, so we're going to set this tray over from the side. Okay, so these little guys go right on the tops corners, well, the bottom corners. So just like this, just as support. Okay, and now these white ones, I'm not sure, let's see. Okay, we got it all set up. So these, like I said, you can fully adjust these, and it seems to be holding pretty good. Overall, I think I can give it an 8 out of 10. I'm happy. Now we just got to get more soup to fill our trays.